friends, so today we are going to discuss some important question of quick sort. Okay, so first question is that this question asked in NILA 2018. So sorting algorithm that is take lowest. Okay, lowest worst time complexity, that is the answer is merge sort, because merge sort take O n log n time. Okay, and quick sort, selection sort and bubble sort both are taken n squared time in worst case. Okay, so this is mentioned worst case. Now next is same question asked, but here the little NILA 2016 IT, that is the slowest, and here it is mentioned that is the lowest. So slowest and lowest both mean as same, so our answer should be merge sort. Now this question asked in same NILET exam. Okay, here I take the screenshot, okay, of the original question paper. So the worst case running time of the insertions on merge sort and quick sort. So we all know that merge sort the time complexity, that is O n log n. So here it is O n log n, and here it is O n log n, and here it is O n log n. Now next is quick sort. Quick sort is, so here worst case is quick sort is also O n square. Okay, now here it is O n square, so these both options are eliminated. Now next is select insertion sort. Insertion sort take O n square, so our answer is option D. Okay, so you have to remember the worst case time complexity of all the sorting algorithm. Okay, so worst case time, the most of the question asked from worst case or either best case. Okay, so now next is this question asked in BARC. Okay, 2017. So suppose there is an array of 8 integer are given, so perform the quick sort operation after finishing the first partitioning with the array looking like. Okay, so in quick sort algorithm is based on divide and conquer. Okay, remember this thing, it is the divide and conquer algorithm. So for this reason it is take a pivot element. Okay, so random pivot element, it is, the answer is, here you can see that before 7 and 9. Okay, from this left side of 7 and 9 all are lower value. Okay, and here after 7 and 9 in all are highest value. So for this reason here the pivot could be either 7 or 9, so option A is the correct. So here in this way you can solve this kind of problem. Okay, so now next is you have an array n elements. Suppose you implement the quick sort, so by choosing the central element as a pivot element. Okay, that means the middle element. Okay, so here some elements are there, 1 2 4 6 and 7. You have to choose the middle element, that is 4, as a pivot element. Okay, now to compare this element with each other by perform the sorting. Okay, that is quick sort. So worst case time complexity of quick sort we all know, that is O n square. So answer is O n square. Now next is randomized quick sort. Is the extension of quick sort algorithm in which pivot is chosen randomly. Here the pivot is chosen randomly. In previous the pivot is fixed, that is middle. So that is but here we can choose the random position, that is either first or middle or last. Okay, so what is the worst case sorting algorithm? So here also answer is O n square for worst case time complexity, and in randomized quick sort algorithm best case is O n log n. Okay, so O n log n, so for best case, but here it is mentioned worst case, for this reason it is O n square. Now next is quick sort can be categorized to which? As I said that it is a divide and conquer method. Okay, quick sort is based on divide and conquer paradigm. So answer B should be correct. Now next is which of the, so this question in DSSB, that is Delhi Service Board school level exam. Okay, that is school level PGT exam. So which of the following is not true about quick sort? So quick sort is a, here it is said that in place or pivot position can be changed, and next is adaptive, and last is can be implemented as a stable sort, which was not true. Here this is option B is the false statement, because pivot position, here the pivot position is fixed. Okay, it cannot be changed. We have to fix the pivot position. So for this reason this is false, but it is in place algorithm. Okay, in place means we don't we have to take a temporary variable to store the value. Okay, so this is true, this is in place. And this is adaptive sorting. Adaptive means for in quick sort, for sorting in quick sort, if it is in sorted order, okay, at that time it take the O n square time complexity, that is worst case. But if it is unsorted, at that time it take less time. Okay, for this reason this is adaptive in nature. Okay, so can be implemented, it is stable sort, it is also a stable sort. Okay, so now next is, which of the following recurrence relation worst case, that is O n square for quick sort. So what is the recurrence relation of the quick sort? From the given option, here this option A is the, so option A is the, it is the n log n. Okay, n log n is the time complexity here, because of 2 and divided by 2. For this reason it is, you can easily derive this equation by using Master theorem also. Okay, so now next is this option number 2, that is here it is the O n square. Okay, this is the O n square, t n minus 1 t 0 and c n. Now next is, it is the 2t n minus 2, 2t when this is the 2 to the power n. Okay, 2 to the power n is the time complexity. This is the tower of Honeo, that is exceptional exponential. Okay, so that is the time complexity of the tower of Honeo. Now next is Tn by 2 Cn. Okay, so for it is the On is the time complexity. So second option is the correct. So now next question is asked in GATE 2017. Okay, so here it is mentioned that to sublist is at least 1/5 of the element. So find the where 1/5 is there. Here it is 1/5 there, and here it is 1/5 there. So option this eliminated. Now for finding quick sort. Okay, so here we know that the quick sort, it is take the t n minus 1 plus, that is O n square. Okay, O n square recurrence relation, t n minus 1 t n. Okay, so here find here n by 5, and if we minus 1 minus 1 by 5, that is here it is mentioned 1/5, so we get 4 by 5. So option here it is 4 by 5, so option 2 is correct. Now next is in quicksort algorithm, the same question asked. Okay, n by 4th is the smallest element in selected the pivot using O n time complexity. Okay, so what is worst case? So worst case is O n square. For quicksort always worst case is O n square. So now next is, this is asking UGC net. Okay, so sorting algorithm not stable. So which algorithm is not stable algorithm? Okay, so the algorithm are stable. Which of the following is not a stable algorithm? So the stable algorithm is that which maintain the distinct element. Okay, the order of distinct element is same before sorting. Okay, so for this reason insertion sort, merge sort and bubble sort all are stable element, but quick sort and heap sort are not stable element. Okay, so here not stable element is quick sort. Now next is, which of the occurrence relation of quick sort? Okay, so as I said the before question, here the O n square is the worst case time complexity. So here it is given, it is eliminated. Now here it is n minus 2 and n minus 1. So option B is the correct. That is, it should be n minus 1 and O n square is the okay. Okay, so now next is this is get 2019. So suppose we have O(n) time algorithm and find the median of the sorted array. Now consider the quick sort algorithm and find the median as a pivot. Okay, so which will be the worst case time? So as here it is the fixed, okay, median position is fixed. For this reason it will be worst case time complexity is O(n) square. So now next is here it is given that two string are given. So first is the sorted, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, that is sorted, but here you can see that this is unsorted. So in sorting, in quick sort, the unsorted element take less time, okay, but sorted element take more time, okay. So for this reason here option A is the correct, that is T1 take more time and T2 take less time. But this is opposite of bubble sort. Bubble sort take, in sorting at the sorted array it will take O(n), okay, time is less, but in when it is unsorted at that time it bubble sort take O(n) square. So this is opposite of quick sort. So now this is the last question. Please subscribe my channel.